Hello, welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio. I didn't plan on doing this. I just got this in the mail and I thought, hey, let's test it out. It is the Giorgione colored charcoal pencils for the most precious you. That is kind of weird. Of course, it's made in China, and I did get these off of Temu. Let me make sure I'm okay. Yeah. So they are a set of 12. And this won't be a very long video, I don't think. I did take them out of the packaging that they came in the mail, but I haven't opened them yet. As you can tell, I don't know how. Okay. Okay, well, they are charcoal pencils. Oh, they're not sharpened. Okay, that's not good. Well, we can test to see how they sharpen. Alright. So we'll test them one at a time. This is like... Okay, let me sharpen these first. Okay, so I've sharpened all 12. And... they don't sharpen very well. They break often, so I had to just make them down to this not a very sharp point. Anyway, that's how I'm going to do it tonight. So who knows about another time. So the first one is neutral black. Okay, I can see how the black one can actually be a charcoal, because charcoal is made of wood being burned. That's a really nice black. Okay, so with these other colors, I don't know how they're really truly charcoal. And this one is iron brown. Hopefully I'm getting in the shot. Yeah, these feel like, well, like, I don't know. I don't know if this could be like a pastel pencil. I don't know, it feels kind of rough to be that. There is some dust with them. Alright, let's see what the next one is. Burnt sienna. I don't know if I'm getting all of this in the shot or not. And they feel like charcoal. I just don't see how they can make colored charcoal. And warm gray. And olive green. Let me see on the back here. Okay, it says bold refill with carefully selected carbon. What does that mean? Delicate and not easily broken. That's a lie. They broke when I sharpened them. They're not breaking now when I'm drawing with them. Of course, I had to do a very blunt sharpen. Easy to color, overly natural. Strong coverage, drawing lines, highlight, brighten, increase brightness, smooth, round, rod design. They are smooth, round design, I'll give them that. I don't know what overly natural means. Is that what it said? Is that what it had on here? Overly natural. Oh, this one is violet. Okay, and then we have dark flesh tint. And French red ochre. These are very natural looking colors. Maybe that's what they're saying. Vermilion red tone. If anybody can explain how we got colored charcoal, please comment below. Ivory, which on the end cap it looks... Oh, speaking of the end caps, speaking of the pencils. Okay, so it says Giorgione, the name of the color. It's not going to focus. There we go. It is a wood round barrel. I guess that's Giorgione. And they do have a number, and it is end capped, so you cannot see if the lead is centered or not. Okay. And they do have this, so I don't know if that's open stock or not. Okay. It could be with the barcode on there. Okay, this one is ivory. Let's see, got some black paper here. Let's see. I'm going to put the lighter colors here, but I'll also test them on some black. Yeah. Okay, that looks good on black. And then we got... I gotta let Mr. Tang out. You want out? There you go. Okay, sorry about that. The cat had to go outside. Not outside, but out of the room. Light flesh tint. See, it broke. It effing broke. Let's try to sharpen this again. Okay, I'm just going to barely sharpen it. Okay. Oh, let's see, we got... Oh, I did ivory already. Titanium white. Of course, you're not going to see it on that. Let's try it on black. Okay. So they are nice colors. Let's see if we can blend them. What colors do I want to use? Try to blend these some kind of way. Of course, I'm just using a regular sketch pad. Oh, I keep trying to draw circles. They are dusty, like charcoal should be. This looks like a strange olive. That wasn't a very good example. Let's see. Big chunk just flew off. So did anybody catch the Paul versus Tyson fight? And did you see more of the Netflix circle going on than you did of actual boxing going on? Oh, that bout gave... that was awful. That bout drove me crazy. It was so frustrating. The fight was kind of weird too. The best fight was the women. Okay, in my opinion. I'm just kind of babbling at this point. It's late, I'm tired. I just wanted to test these out and wanted to give a true, honest first impression. And they're not bad. Yeah, they do blend. They are nice colors. The only thing I don't like is how easily they break when you're sharpening them. Let's see. Maybe if I used like a knife and like very carefully like whittled them down to a sharper point, maybe that would work. But as you can see, they do blend nice and they are nice colors. Let me zoom in here a little bit. If I don't knock this over. Okay, all of a sudden everything got dark. Okay, there you go. They're pretty nice. I don't remember what I paid for them. I want to say $12 or under. Okay, so if you have these, what do you think about them? What's your, do they break on you too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I didn't think I had them all here. And do they come in bigger sets than 12? Which, I don't know if I would venture out to try to find them, but... So that's a review, a tired late night review on the Giorgione colored charcoal pencils set of 12. They're not bad. I don't know if they're light fast or not. There's nothing on there about it, but being charcoal, I don't know. I'll keep them, play around with them. What are your thoughts on those? All right, thanks a lot, and thanks for putting up with this tired woman trying to share some new art supplies. Hit that subscription, help my channel out a lot. Thank you.